Assalamualaikum. Today, we will be representing about online learning, technical issues faced by rural students, and the related economic concepts. Firstly, what is online learning? Online learning, otherwise known as e-learning, is a learning system based on formalized teaching with the help of electronic resources such as laptops, computers, smartphones, and so on. Due to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, Malaysian students nationwide are forced to resort to online learning. Unfortunately, some rural students are unlucky as they face technical issues such as internet accessibility and the lack of technological devices. This problem has heavily impacted not only the students but also the parents, as low-income families are unable to afford these devices. Regarding to the related issue, there are three economic concepts that can be found from our topic.
The first economic concept that can be found from our study is scarcity. What is scarcity? Scarcity is the condition that exists when the limited amount of resources is met with the unlimited human wants. Scarcity can also be defined as a social science that studies how society chooses to allocate its scarce resources, which have alternative uses to provide goods and services to satisfy humans' unlimited wants. In other words, scarcity is a result of insufficient quantity of resources to produce all the goods and services desired by people. So this concept can be applied here in our study. Firstly, the situation where the limited amount of resources, which is the stable internet connectivity, is met with the unlimited human wants, which is the students' desire to attend online classes without any technical issues. Secondly, the situation faced by rural students where the lack of technological devices, which is the limited amount of resources, is met with the unlimited human wants, which is the desire to gain or receive knowledge in online learning through online learning and teaching platforms.
The second economic concept that can be found from our study is positive statement. So what exactly is a positive statement? Positive statement is a statement made that is based on facts and data. It can be tested to be either true or false. The information that we have collected from our study are all positive statements. For example, in a research conducted by the Ministry of Education, which involved more than 670,000 parents and almost 900,000 students, shows that 36.9% of the students do not possess any electronic devices. Based on the analysis, 6% of the students have their own computers, 5.67% own tablets, 9% have laptops, and 46% own smartphones. The following statements can be deemed as positive statements because it is based on data.
The last economic concept would be choices and opportunity cost. What defines an opportunity cost? It is the next best alternative that we sacrifice when making a choice or an action. Since resources are usually limited, we have to make a choice on what to do with it. Once we decided on the best choice, hence the next best option would be forgone. That very option is called an opportunity cost. In our case, the issue revolving around internet connectivity and lack of technological devices, the government cannot implement all possible solutions due to lack of resources. They would have to decide on the best solution that could handle the problems the most efficiently, and the other solutions would be sacrificed. Therefore, the next best solution that the government sacrificed is what's called an opportunity cost.